Obviously, we haven't seen that guy right there, Christian Craig, in a couple weeks, missing both Dallas and Daytona. And we haven't seen him post, or at least I haven't seen him post on Instagram or any social medias in, well, over a week now since Dallas. So no news from him, no reason why he didn't race until today as I'm finding this. And you have to go to his wife's Instagram page Craig, obviously. And if you want to stop and read the whole post, you can. But the main point of this is she said, quote, Christian will be getting his fourth elbow surgery on Wednesday, so we will update you on what was done. So yeah. In the meantime, give these riders some grace. They work their asses off and suffer so many battles no one knows about. So basically, if he's gonna have but his fourth elbow injury, that's the season for him. Just like last year, he got injured, had a surgery, and he was done. And if he's gonna have a fourth one, that means more scarring. And every time you have a surgery on something, it's worse because there's scar tissue you have to cut through, which makes it harder to do, harder to work on, harder to heal. And well, that basically means the season for him is over, at least in my perspective, which sucks too because this year was not good. Neither for him nor Mookie. It's just been not great on that Husky, and it sucks for him. I mean, especially Craig, who's been through so much between the back injury, retiring, coming back, filling in, losing out on championship points to, fill in for the 450 ride, finally gets his 250 championship, moves up to the 450 ride on a factory bike, not even on a privateer ride that, wasn't going to be great, but on a full factory ride. And then it just has not been great. And it sucks to see because I like Christian Craig. I was super happy when he won his 250 championship finally. I was happy to see him get a 450 ride that he could, be the big boy on the big boy bike. And it sucks to see something like this. Who knows? I think he had a 2-year contract, and I believe that was for what this year and then last year. So I don't know if this is uh, how do I say this? This must be his contract year. So who knows where that's going to end up? Whether he has a ride for next year or what? I don't know. Hopefully he does, make it back and he can ride some outdoors and kind of get some confidence and some momentum behind him again. But I don't know. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Do you think you're going to be back on the Husky? Do you think he's done? Do you think, he's going to have to get a privateer ride or something else next year or whenever his contract's up, whatever it is? Then, I don't know, comment, did you like Daytona? Are you happy Vial win or Jet won or whatever it is? Comment whatever you want down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.